Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is another tutorial video and I'm going to show you how to change the front windscreen wipers and the back one. For this job I'm using the Bosch Aerotwin wipers for the front, and for the rear it's also the Aerotwin windscreen wiper. So let's get to working. So let's start it from the back. To get off the windscreen you have to first pull this towards you, then like this, and there is a small thing over here. You have to press it down and then you have to push it away from you, and that's how you get off the windscreen wiper. Next you have to take off this plastic piece. For that you have to turn it for the cap to be upwards, and then you have to just press it down. It will pop off like this. Then grab your windscreen wiper, place it that the rubber is towards you, and then this part you will have to do it like this, and it clicks right to it. Next, just put it like this and then bring it towards you, and now it's on. That's how easy it is. And now to the front. So now we are at the front and we have two pieces over here. One is smaller and one is larger. The front smaller one comes over here to the right side of the car, and the large one goes to the left side of the car. So let's start from the right. You have to pull this up, and then you'll see you have to place it like this and it will just come right off. And now let's put the new windscreen wiper on. So this hole you have to align it with the stick, and then you have to place it like this so the windscreen wiper can go on, and then ta-da! Done. Let's get to the left side. So just pull it towards you, and this goes the same. Just pull it away, and then just the hole to this thing, and then yep, ta-da! And that's how you replace Ford Focus windscreen wipers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.